Hey fam, so if you watched my smothered steak video, I gave instructions on how to make a pot of rice. Well, I recently got a request for a rice video, so I decided to highlight the rice tutorial portion of my last video. Check it out. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a quick rice tutorial. This is going to be very quick, not too much in depth. Check it out. Rice is always simple and it's always easy when you just follow the 2-to-1 method. So we're going to add 2 cups of water. You can add 2 cups of water, or you can add 1 cup of chicken broth, however you want to do it. If you want to cut back on the sodium, 2 cups of water. If you want to add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chicken broth, or any type of broth you like, that'd be perfect too. While you're waiting for the water to come to a boil, you are going to salt your water lightly. I use regular parboiled rice. It's already been boiled, so I don't wash it. If I was using a regular long grain rice that doesn't say parboiled on it, I would wash it first, but I don't wash the parboiled rice. This is the rice that I use, and it cooks up just fine. As the rice comes to a boil, we are going to add in 1 cup of rice. And you're going to stir that rice in, and then you're going to bring it to a boil. While the rice is coming to a boil, I add a teaspoon of olive oil, and what that does is just helps to keep the rice nice and separated. And then I just stir it in. And right here is where you will add any additional seasonings if you want. You could add saffron, you could add the sazon packets, you could add bouillon, chicken or beef, or any type of seasonings that you want. You see it's starting to come to a boil, so we are about to cover it. We're going to stir it a couple of more times. Reduce the heat. We're going to cover it, and we're going to leave this alone for 20 minutes. Set your timers. Okay, while it's boiling, don't touch the lid. I know that you're going to be tempted to pick up that lid to see if it's done. Don't touch it. Just leave it alone. Okay, I can see through my glass top what's going on in my pot. Everybody may not have a glass top pot, but don't touch the lid. Let it go for the full 20 minutes and you're gonna have perfect rice. Trust me. Okay, it's time. Moment of truth. Look at that. Woo. Watch the steam, guys. Do you see that? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Look, done all the way to the bottom. Turn off your heat. And I mean, come on. It doesn't get any better than this, right? That is perfect rice. It's nice and firm. Do you see that? You can do this. We did this. And it only took 20 minutes to cook. And right here is where I add the butter. I don't add it before because, you know, I don't want too much fat because I don't want it to be mushy or soggy or get too soft. So I add the butter right here. That is perfect basic rice. Once you master this, then you can start getting fancy. So that's it, guys. My perfect rice method using 2-to-1 ratio, 2 cups liquid to 1 cup rice. Or for larger batches, 4 cups liquid to 2 cups rice. You can use all water, all broth, or half water and half broth to cut back the sodium. If you guys try the 2-to-1 method, let me know in the comments how it comes out. My work is done. If you haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at ShakenBaken Blog. Tell a friend.